To find the path difference between the waves traveling along AR and BT, consider triangle ABL. In triangle ABL, sin theta is equal to AL divided by AB, where AB is the slit width or the aperture size. So we can write this AL is equal to A sin theta, where AL is the path difference between these two curves. So the path difference is equal to A sin theta. If the path difference is equal to lambda, then the point P dash will be of minimum intensity. That is, A sin theta is equal to n lambda, that corresponds to minimum intensity. Therefore, sin theta n is equal to n lambda by A, where n is an integer. If the path difference between the waves traveling along AR and BT is odd multiples of lambda by 2, the path difference is A sin theta n. If this A sin theta n is odd multiples of lambda by 2, the directions of secondary maxima can be obtained. In this case, this path difference A sin theta n is equal to 2n plus 1 into lambda by 2. That's the condition for getting secondary maxima. So sin theta n is equal to 2n plus 1 into lambda by 2a, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Thus the diffraction pattern of a single slit that consists of central bright maxima at P followed by secondary maxima and minima on both sides. From this diagram we can see that the central bright maxima that followed by secondary minima and maxima on both sides. And this diagram shows the intensity variation. At the central bright maxima point, intensity is very high. Then here we can see the secondary minima and here the secondary maxima. Secondary minima and maxima on both sides of the central bright maxima. The point P dash will be of maximum or minimum intensity depending upon the path difference between the secondary waves originating from the corresponding points of the wave front. From this diagram, the point P that corresponds to the position of central bright maximum and the points on the screen on which the path difference between the points A and B is lambda, 2 lambda, etc. The secondary minima positions. The secondary maxima are of much less intensity. Central bright maxima is of high intensity, secondary maximas are of low intensity, and also the intensity falls off rapidly from the point P outwards. Intensity which falls off rapidly from the point P, from the central bright maxima on both sides.